Welcome back to the channel. This is Nick the Entrepreneur, and if you don't know me, my name is Nick and I run a couple businesses and I will show you the ins and outs of businesses. So if you haven't watched my videos before, you can watch them right here. I make a day in life vlog, so today we're going to be finishing up that BA shipment that we started yesterday that I didn't get done, and then we're also going to do customer orders, and then I'm actually going to go to a coffee shop today because I haven't gone in the last 2 days. I'm gonna go to a coffee shop, do a lot of back end work, get that done because I need a break. Yesterday was tough, so if you haven't watched that video, I'll put it here or just go back a video and you can watch how stressful that video was. But we're gonna go do that, and then at the very end of the video, we're gonna go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money we made. Okay, so at the moment I'm not using my new mats because they're just way too sticky and I don't want another day like yesterday. So I'm gonna use these for now and figure out a way to basically de-stick the new mats. So let's just get started on these, finish up this FBA shipment, and then we'll figure out a way to de-stick those and then finish customer orders, and then we'll go over yesterday's revenue. I'm so sorry I didn't make a video on this, but I just dropped off the UPS packages and my USPS packages. So customer orders are out, FBA shipments out. So now let's go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money we made. All right, guys, so starting with eBay, we made $31.79, which is okay. We made $417.95, which was actually a pretty big day in a while. So we made $450 in revenue yesterday, which is not bad, almost 500. So we ended the month with about 12,000, let's just say it close to $12,000, which is not where we want to be at. We're less than 15,000, which means we're less than half of 30K. Which is not where we want to be, but that's all right. We're working on it, guys. And you know, there are ups and downs of business. It's not always going to be projected upwards, and it's also summertime, and so sales are down in general. So it's going to be tough, but if I can do 30K in a summer, that would be crazy. So if you guys are interested in watching me hit 30K either next month or hopefully the next, please subscribe down below and like the video for more people to watch videos like this. I'm sorry that this video was more of a time lapse, not a lot of talking. I do have a friend that's living with me right now, so I want to be respectful of her space, and then also just still trying to get my videos out. So I hope you guys understand. Have a great rest of your day. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great day.